Food Detectives is a classroom workshop made for 4th graders. It equips students with top-notch detective skills so they can investigate food marketing and make informed choices on their own. Animated videos and lively group activities keep students engaged while learning how to read labels, make informed choices, and think critically about the food they eat. For teachers, it's easy to use and takes almost no prep. After you create your free account, you're a few simple steps away from launching the program in your classroom. From the home screen, you can administer our pre-survey, read our Quick Start Guide, and access PDF files so that you can print student worksheets. Once you've prepped yourself in your classroom, you can launch the program using a smartboard or projector and let our web-based app take you and your students on an exciting behind-the-scenes journey into our food system. At the beginning of the workshop, students meet Chip and Dip, 2 undercover food detective heroines who have infiltrated Crave Inc., a top-secret food company. Students work in teams to investigate packaging and solve mysteries about food, thanks to the secret files that get transmitted to your classroom. Along the way, teams collect points for right answers, because who doesn't love a little friendly competition? The main workshop includes 40 minutes of content, which can be taught all at once or broken up into 2 20-minute lessons. Once your students are officially food detectives, they can hone their skills with our library of mini lessons throughout the year for more fun and more learning, whenever you want it. Food Detectives is flexible and impactful, building the skills students need to critically investigate food at grocery stores, schools, and home. Sign up to make your students food detectives this year.